When I have kids that are assigned to in-school intervention, I get pretty excited about restorative practices because these are what I call logical consequences. So let's say I have a bulletin board in the front of the front of the building that needs to be cleaned off because a classroom is going to be creating a new bulletin board. That would be a great consequence that's restorative, meaning that you're an in-school intervention because you took away from the community. You were disruptive, you were high-level refusal, whatever it might be that you're there for. Maybe it's disrespect, a high-level disrespect. In that case, you have to give back to the community and you're going to give back to your school values. So it's really important that we make that connection. And so anything that our school agrees at the superintendent level that we can ask kids to do, jobs in the building, preparing stuff for teachers who didn't have time to prepare because they were busy dealing with your behavior or other kids' behaviors. I've had maybe my fourth graders who have had to, they've had to cut out some pre-cut things for kindergarten so they could do a project the next day. That's a restorative practice. I'm giving back to the kindergarten. I've had high school kids who have had to go out and do some planning for the front garden during their time at ISI, and that was allowed. And I think that's perfect. Anything that we can do that teaches that skill, holds you accountable, and gives back to the value that you violated in our community is a restorative practice.